Hello friends, welcome to Full House Flavors. We're sharing today a very simple and easy mango salad recipe. Mangoes are great antioxidants and rich in vitamin A and C, which is good for our skin health and hair. It's super easy and so refreshing and ready in minutes. That's the best part. And it looks so vibrant, my friends, as you can see, and it's the best way to brighten up your dinner table. So let's check out the ingredients to make this easy peasy mango salad. So we're going to pick a ripe mango here, and you can pick any mango, but you have to be careful here not to pick the mango with a lot of fibers in it, because when you start eating salad, the fibers will go in your teeth. Along with that, we are going to add some fresh veggies to it. We'll take one medium red onion, one small capsicum, a little bit of ginger, some coriander leaves. And we are going to add about 1/4 spoon of Amchur powder, salt to taste, and about 1 spoon of red wine vinegar, and some orange juice. So we start our salad by peeling off the mango. So we'll cut the head tip, and then slowly you can start peeling off the skin. And there's so many ways you can do it, but I preferred it this way. But if it works for you some other way, please go ahead. There's no rule here. Whatever way, all we have to do is peel off the skin. Be careful while you're peeling off the skin, because it does get very slippery as your fingers goes on the flesh. So now the skin is off. So now we have to cut this mango. So we have to be careful here. When you see the seed direction, we have to cut parallel to the direction of the seed, because if you're not being careful there, then you'll be cutting right through the seed, and it'll be very, very hard. So we'll try to maximize here whatever maximum flesh we can take it out, by chopping off like from the sides of the seeds, whatever attached. Now we have taken out most of the flesh, so now we have to make the tiny pieces for this mango. And this is perfect ripe for this mango, because you don't want the mango too ripe, because otherwise you won't be able to cut it to pieces and it will come out mushy and it will not look attractive. And while picking mango from the store, friends, there's little tips. The look can be deceiving while picking mangoes, because it might look yellow and reddish, but it may not be ripe. So the best way to find out, just give it a little squeeze, soft squeeze, and you think it's like, just presses down a little bit, that's perfect ripe. Because if it's like squeezes too softly, that means it's like too ripe. So now we have sliced our mangoes. It's time to toss fresh veggies to it. So let's put it out in a bowl. Onion, the ginger, which we have finely chopped here, and capsicum. We have picked a small capsicum, finely chopped, and then some fresh green cilantro. You have to add cilantro here for any kind of salad, because it just adds to the flavor. It's amazing, and you add a little bit of Amchur powder, about 1/4 spoon, not too much, and about 1 spoon red wine vinegar. And we're adding the vinegar for the citrusy flavor, but you can even add lemon juice instead. It's a little bit of orange juice to top the flavor, and salt to taste. Alright, so now we have added all our ingredients, and it's time to give it a good toss to the salad. And I can already feel the aroma of this dressing as I'm mixing, all that orange juice and vinegar and all the fresh veggies is just doing the magic. And now our final step, time to mix our mangoes. Just add all the mangoes that we have cut before and give it a good toss, and our salad is almost done. And look at the color, my friend. Doesn't it look so amazing and appealing? And I love making this salad for my friends and family, and I hope you like this recipe and you'll give this a try. Feel free to experiment, and do let us know if you like the salad, and I hope you'll give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done already. And thank you so much for your support as always. Thank you.